at my grandparents' house, and as long as they're not in the house, I've decided to give you a little tour of the most fascinating room in their house. The refrigerator. Let's go check it out. Ta-da! I promise you'll find this fascinating. First, let's start with the door. An opened can of soda, because we all like flat soda better than regular. Sarcasm. Open package of hot dogs. Not in a bag. This appears to be a cup of milk. Let's aim this bad boy down into here. It appears to be a cup of milk. But as you can see, it's been in there for a while and there's a ring around the outside. Maybe they're attempting to make penicillin. Here we have a bowl of mystery something. What is that? Okay. We're gonna put this one back and pretend it never happened. Avocado that's almost turned into guacamole on its own. A glass candle holder full of this stuff. Caramel popcorn, because that won't be stale. Mysterious tinfoil package. Anthrax, possibly? Boar's head cheese. Delicious. Here we have a package that says Zweigel's liverwurst. However, on the inside, it's actually coffee. Would you drink coffee that came from a bag that said Zweigel's liverwurst? That's about it. Hope you enjoyed the tour through Grandma's fridge.